Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Meta AI in Messenger. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To use Meta AI in Messenger, make sure you have the latest versions of both the Facebook and Messenger apps. You can update them through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once updated, open the Facebook app and tap the Messenger icon. Then, tap the pin icon to start a new chat. If your account has access to Meta AI, you'll see an option to Chat with AI or Meta AI. Tap on it to start your conversation. Note that access to Meta AI is currently limited to certain regions. If you don't see the option, it means your account hasn't been granted access yet. Meta is rolling out the feature gradually, so you may need to wait a bit longer. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.